Hello students, today we are going to do the lesson on our festivals and celebrations. Lesson number 12, page number 64. As India has a variety of religions and cultural traditions, there are a variety of festivals. Out of this, there are mainly three festivals. National Festival. These festivals are celebrated by all the people of India. Religious Festival. These festivals are celebrated by people of a particular religion. And Harvest Festival. These festivals are celebrated by people belonging to a particular region to thank God for a good harvest. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. We celebrate these festivals irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. Now, let's go through it briefly. Independence Day. Our country India was under the British rule for over 200 years. Many leaders have sacrificed their lives for India's freedom. Example, Gandhiji. With the efforts of our great leaders, India achieved freedom on 15th August 1947. It is celebrated with great joy and happiness every year. The Prime Minister hoists the Indian flag at Red Fort, Lal Killa, New Delhi and addresses the nation. People celebrate this day by hoisting the Indian flag and sing our national anthem. Republic Day. On 26 January 1950, India became a democratic country, means a country ruled by people's representatives. On this day, our constitution came into force and we celebrate this day every year. There are many functions held. The main is held at Vijay Chowk, New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute at the march past along Rajpath. Armed forces, folk dancers, musicians, artists and school children take part with colorful dresses in the parade. There are different acts shown by the armed forces. Weapons, animal parades like horses, beautifully decorated camels, etc. School children displays drill and various activities on that day. Public buildings and government buildings are decorated with colorful lights. Children are given bravery awards who ride on elephants and join the parade. Tableau of different states makes the parade more attractive and interesting. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His birthday is celebrated nationwide as he was the anchor of our freedom movement. Many leaders joined him to free India. The President, the Prime Minister, along with other important dignitaries, pay homage at Rajghat, New Delhi. Special prayers are held at Rajghat in honor of him. Gandhiji was killed by Nathuram Godse on 30th January 1948. Children's Day. The birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day every year. He loved children so much that children call him Chacha Nehru. Different sports and activities are held for children on that day. People pay homage to Chacha Nehru. Teachers' Day. The birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is celebrated as Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. He was the second president of independent India and a teacher by profession. Teachers are honored specially on this day. So, students, today we learned about the national festivals, and rest we shall continue it in our next class.